Hey guys, welcome to McLord Gaming. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to set a custom frame rate cap. So if we go into Fortnite settings, as you can see, Fortnite's video settings do have some common frame rate limit options available. But an increasingly popular refresh rate, which is 75 Hz, is excluded from this list, although many gamers have switched to it by ditching their 60 Hz monitors. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to exactly match your frame rate with your refresh rate. Let's talk about reasons for using a frame rate limit. Why should you even care about this in the first place? The biggest reason is for consistent frames per second. For example, when using the unlimited frame setting, as listed in the Fortnite settings, you can get highs of up to 140, and while that might sound great, you might also get dips below 30 FPS, making the game feel super laggy and buggy and downright unplayable for some people. Another reason is, let's say that you have a 60 Hz monitor. If you get more than 60 FPS, let's say 100, not only will your computer be working harder for nothing since you can't see the frames in the first place, but also there will be problems like screen tearing, which can cause the game to look super ugly. Although VSync and other alternatives can reduce this problem, they will add a layer of input lag, which can also make your game feel laggy. Setting a limit to your FPS can reduce both of these negatives, so let's get into the tutorial without further ado. First of all, we want to make sure that your monitor is running at its full potential, so you want to go into your display settings, and after that, make sure you have selected your primary monitor. For people with dual monitor setups, you might have selected your second one, but make sure you select your first one. If you're unsure, click the identify button and you will get a little square at the bottom saying which one is which. So after that, you want to scroll down and click advanced graphics options and make sure you have your first monitor selected just to be sure, okay? So after you click advanced graphics settings, display settings, and then make sure your first monitor is selected. After that, go down to the refresh rate section. Make sure you have selected the highest possible value. In my case, that is 75. If you're changing your value, your display might black out, and that's completely normal. It won't do anything bad. Now let's get into how to actually cap Fortnite's FPS. So what you're gonna want to do is go to your home screen, and then what you want to do is go to the little search bar and type in %appdata%. After you do that, you just want to open the folder and go back one folder to the app data, and then you want to go to local. After you click local, scroll until you find the Fortnite game folder. After that, click the folder and then click config. After that, you want to go into Windows client, and then you'll see the game user settings.ini. You want to open it in Notepad, so left click it, and then open with, and then click Notepad. So after that, you want to, this might look overwhelming at first, but it's actually super simple. So what you're going to do is press Ctrl F, and after that, you want to type in a frame. After that, you click find next, and right there is the frame rate limit. You might have it set to 60, 120, or whatever, but if you have a 75 Hz monitor, change it to 75. And you can change it to any value, but since I have 75 Hz, I'll change it to 75. So after that, click Ctrl S, and then it should be saved, and you're okay to close it out, and that's it. You have completed the frame rate cap. So as I'm loading up into Fortnite, I just want to make a few disclaimers and say that this little hack, if you want to call it that, will last forever until you update it, and after you update it, it's just the same steps. You go into the local app data folder and change the user config. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and a like and a sub would be greatly appreciated in order to help out my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.